Hey guys, what's going on? I'm just making this quick little video right here to show you guys a brand new feature that we just recently introduced to WolfGrowth.com right here, okay? And it's called the Repost Pro feature, okay? And the way you access it is simply you scroll down in your dashboard and you will see this little icon right here. It says Repost Pro. You click on it and you select your account and you will see a bunch of different options to choose from, okay? So obviously what this tool basically does is it utilizes a method where you basically repost other people's posts. For example, if you have a niche account or whatever, right? If you have an account in the sports or in the travel niche, right? You repost the content of other travel accounts and give credit to the creator of the actual posts, right? So that way you can actually grow your own audience. So and the way you can do this is you can do this based on hashtags, places, people, and collections. Okay, usually what we want to do is we want to choose people and hashtags, right? Because we either want to like repost the posts of certain accounts or based on certain hashtags in our niche, right? So let's just pretend our niche is business, right? So we type in business and obviously there's a bunch of posts popping up, right? So let's just select a bunch of hashtags right here, right? And when we select people right here, we obviously have these different accounts. Let's take an account that everyone is, I don't know, familiar with. For example, Gary V. Right? We can target, we can repost Gary V, but we probably don't want to repost his stuff because he has a really big account. There's no way he's going to recognize us for doing it usually. So that's just an example though, by the way, right? So you can basically, you have to know what kind of targets you want to use for that, right? So what you want to do is you then have to select, or you can then select different media types, right? And that basically just determines what kind of post you want to repost, right? Do you want to repost photos, videos, album posts, or reels, right? Obviously right now reels are really, really hot. So that is something we really want to repost. Okay, that's something you really want to repost because that will give you the most traction these days. Now you have to select how many posts you want to do per day, how many reposts you want to do. You want to do 5 per day, which is the lowest option, or you can go up to 25 per day, which is probably not too recommended in most cases, unless you have some sort of like account that, you know, has where it's normal to post tons of updates every single day, like a news account or like an alert account or whatever, where people just want to stay update with something, right? But like usually 5 to 10 per day is probably the way to go, right? And then you can decide, do you want to actually remove the repost, yes or no, right? And you can choose after how many hours or days you want the repost to actually be removed. We want to remove every 15 minutes. Probably won't make too much sense. Or you can do up to like 7 days. So after 7 days, it will automatically be deleted. Or you just choose never if you never want to remove it, right? Now, then there's a bunch of advanced options right here. Obviously, the caption is very important. You also have these little shortcuts right here that you can use. So, for example, you would caption right here. You would just copy that and put it in here, and it would basically be showing the original caption instead of that thing, right? So the original caption of the actual post that you repost, basically. Or if you want to give credit to the users. Obviously, you can't do every single user manually because it will come from different accounts, right? So what you want to do is you want to put this shortcut right here, and the software will automatically detect the username of the guy who's like posted that thing, that post that you were reposting, and it will put the username right there. So, for example, thanks to for this awesome reel, all right? And it will basically use his username right here or location, whatever it is, right? That is basically the most important thing. Obviously, we have a bunch of other different options right here, like blacklists, filtration, find and replace the original post caption, find and tag users from original post caption, and the first comment, obviously. And you can use the filtration right here. You can set all these different values, but that really just depends on how you want to do it. I will not go through all of this right now because it doesn't make sense, because it's very user specific. Okay, and yeah, once that's done, once that's all set up, all you want to do is you want to click save, obviously, and then you want to go to active and make it active, just the way you do it with like the Mass Story Engager Pro and all of that. Okay, so yeah, that being said, that's the brand new repost feature. I hope you're going to have a lot of success with it. And if you want to get started with WolfGrowth, be sure to check the link in the description. Just click it and you can get started right away. And yeah, anyways, have a great day and see you in the next video.